Shoot! What's up, everybody? They came over here and they wanted to see what we was all about, so I'm going to show you some of the services that we offer. I'm located around the block, you know, behind the Aldi's, but we offer horn services.
Woo! Oh, that's loud.
We offer cylinder head resurfacing.
Woo!
And we do a bunch of brakes too. Shoot! So if you got an extra case of beer laying around and need to get your car fixed, just follow the smell of the beer. You'll find me around the corner, I promise. See you later.